Ever wondered why stress seems to follow you around like a shadow? Are you in desperate need of relief? It might seem like stress is a constant companion in our lives, an unwelcome guest that overstays its welcome. It's a common affliction affecting millions worldwide. Its impact is not just mental, it takes a toll on our physical health too, making us feel drained, overwhelmed, and on edge. But what if there was a way to alleviate this stress? What if you could find a quiet space amidst the chaos? Enter the practice of meditation. Rooted in ancient traditions and validated by modern science, meditation offers a ray of hope in our stress-laden lives. It's a tool that encourages mindfulness, promotes relaxation, and helps us navigate the turbulent seas of stress with grace and resilience. Remember this: you're not alone in your battle with stress. Meditation is a tool you can use starting today. But what exactly is meditation and how can it help you? Let's dig a little deeper. Meditation is an ancient practice traced back thousands of years to numerous cultures worldwide. At its core, it's the act of focusing your mind, drawing your attention inward and away from the chaos of the external world. Meditation comes in many forms. Some people find peace in silence, while others use guided visualizations or mantras. Regardless of the method, the goal is the same: to cultivate a sense of calm and focus, to still the mind. And how does this help with stress? Well, when we meditate, we're training our minds to let go of the things we can't control. We're learning to live in the present rather than worrying about the past or the future. This can lead to reduced anxiety, better sleep, improved focus, and an overall sense of well-being. Meditation is not just a practice, it's a journey towards inner peace. Ready to start your journey? Here are the first 3 beginner tips. Firstly, finding a quiet space is key. It's crucial to carve out a tranquil corner where you can shut out the world, even if it's just for a few minutes. This could be a small nook in your home, a quiet park, or even your car. The idea is to create a sanctuary where you can focus without interruptions. Secondly, focus on your breath. It's as simple as inhaling and exhaling. Let your breath be your anchor, holding you in the present moment. As you breathe in, imagine calmness flowing into your body, and as you breathe out, picture stress leaving your body. Lastly, be patient with yourself. Meditation isn't about achieving perfection, it's about practice. Don't become frustrated if your mind wanders, just gently guide it back to your breath. Remember, meditation is not a race, it's a process. Let's delve deeper into the process. Here are tips 4 to 7. Tip 4, set a timer. This is a practical way to avoid clock watching. You don't want to be thinking about how long you've been meditating when you're trying to clear your mind. Set a gentle alarm to signal the end of your session. Tip 5, get comfortable. Your posture is key. Find a position that's comfortable for you. It could be sitting cross-legged, lying down, or even standing. The goal is to feel relaxed yet alert. Tip 6, embrace distractions. You might hear a car honking, a dog barking, or your stomach rumbling. Instead of becoming irritated, acknowledge these distractions and let them go. They're part of the meditation process. And finally, tip 7, be consistent. Like any practice, meditation benefits from regularity. Try to meditate at the same time each day, even if it's only for a few minutes. Meditation is about embracing the present moment, distractions and all. As we wrap up, here are the last 3 tips to guide your meditation journey. Firstly, don't hesitate to try guided meditations. These are readily available online and can provide a structure to your practice, especially when you're just starting out. Secondly, consider keeping a meditation journal. By jotting down your experiences, thoughts, and feelings after each session, you can track your progress and gain deeper insights into your personal journey. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly, don't be too hard on yourself. Meditation is a skill that takes time to master. Even the most experienced practitioners have days where their mind wanders. It's part of the process. In summary, understanding stress, the role of meditation, and these 10 beginner tips can kickstart your journey towards stress relief. Remember, meditation is not a one-size-fits-all solution, it's a personal journey of self-discovery and stress management. Remember, the journey of meditation is personal and unique to each individual. Start yours today and watch your stress melt away.